Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks about the Model 3 that you didn't know about. These are the hidden features, I would say, on a Tesla Model 3. So the first feature that I'm going to show you is the handbrake, and that's pretty simple in this car. You just hold the park button for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, this red park icon shows up, and that's a handbrake. And if you are gonna drive somewhere, you just pull down and you can drive. It turns off the park brake as well. So it's just a good feature if you're on a parking on a hill. That way you're safe if you're concerned about that. So the feature number 2 is the AC. And basically, as you can see, like while you're driving, you can open it, and if you have to turn it off, you gotta go press that. But to be honest with you, if you're driving, it's not really safe. So what you can do is you just hold this button for a few seconds and it turns it off. The next feature is actually pretty useful as well while you're driving. So if you're going into your settings or music, you actually don't have to press the actual button and then scroll on the screen. What you can do is you can just scroll on the button itself and it comes out. Same with music. You can just scroll on it and it'll come out. That way it's pretty safe. You know where the button is. You just keep scrolling until it comes out. And then you can just pick whatever and then scroll down. So the next feature has to do with navigation. As you can see right here, if you press this button and you have your home address or work address and you set something up, and then it depends on the time of the day. If you slide it to the right, it'll just navigate to work or home. And since I don't have a work address, I just slide it, and you see it goes into the work, and it's asking you for the address of your workplace because I'm near my house. Let's say if I was somewhere else, not that close to my house, and I would slide it, it would actually take me home instead of taking me to work. That's a pretty cool feature. If you're going to work and you're by your house, you just slide and it navigates you to work. But if you're going home, you slide it and it actually navigates you home, which is pretty useful. So the next feature has to do with your phone. So as you can see, I have a map right here, Google Maps. If I navigate to Tesla Service Center, right, and as you can see, that's the address. I click directions, and then I click on the 3 buttons and click over here, share directions. And then if I click on Tesla, as you can see, it just sends the navigation to your screen, which is pretty useful as well if you use Google Maps and you just want to use your screen instead, and you don't have to type your address where you're going. Another cool feature is the better theater mode. What you do is you go to your web browser and you type in bettertheatermode.com, and you can actually go full screen here. You can use, I mean, obviously you get YouTube and stuff like that, but over here, if you register as well, these things that you can unlock basically. It's Crave, HBO, YouTube TV, and if you don't register, you still have Hulu, which doesn't come with the car itself. Then you have Reddit, you have Google Maps, you have Disney Plus, you have ESPN, CBS, all these things, as well as when you go to the top, there's music here, I believe, but you have to register. So as you can see, I just registered and I unlocked these top 4 features over here, as well as the game tab, which has other options. And it has Tetris, it has like other games, it has music. I mean, obviously Spotify comes with the car, but then you also have Apple Music, Pandora, Amazon Music, and things like that, as well as I guess some apps that you can use, Facebook and things like that. So this is a pretty cool feature, and if you want to support the creator, you can just donate over here whatever you want. So that's a cool one. Another cool feature that there is you go to the web browser and you type in RAINWay, and basically it's this application that allows you to play all your computer games on your Tesla. But I'm not exactly sure how to use it yet, so I'm just giving you the opportunity to try it out and see for yourself. But it has this download now button, or you can use it on the web, and then you can basically download it. I tried it with on the browser, and for some reason it's not really working. As you can see, it says once you log in, it says no online dashboard found, and it says you have to download the PC version on your computer. So what I'm assuming is that you have to download this on your computer, sync in all your games that you have on that computer, and then they'll appear on the app, on the web app. So I'm gonna try that, and I'll let you know how that works out, and if that does, I might make a separate video for that as well. And that is it for this video, guys. Leave a like if you didn't know some of these features existed, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these features. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.